The WORX 20V Cordless Leaf Blower is designed to make yard work effortless with its powerful turbine fan technology, providing an impressive air volume for efficient cleaning. This blower offers the flexibility of a 2-speed control, allowing you to adjust the airflow for both light and heavy-duty tasks, ensuring optimal performance for different needs. Thanks to the PowerShare platform, the same battery that powers this blower is compatible with over 140 other tools and products, making it a versatile choice for any homeowner. With an airspeed reaching up to 75 miles per hour, this leaf blower effectively clears debris quickly, saving you both time and effort. Weighing only 4.4 pounds with the battery, this lightweight design allows for comfortable one-handed operation, enhancing user convenience and flexibility. Although the battery and charger are sold separately, the leaf blower's exceptional features make it a valuable addition to any outdoor tool collection.